Hey guys, Tony here. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on Doge just before I go inside and take a shower because I know some people have been asking and I just wanted to update you guys. Currently, we are trading sideways in this price range, right? Between the price action of 0109 and 008. We are right now on the higher end of it, and because we just crossed that 4-hour MACD on the bullish side, I am looking like it's going to go back up. On the hour chart, we are looking. I mean, it does look completely bullish now. We did create a weaker bearish candle. The stochastic went up to the bullish side, and I'm hoping that in the next couple of hours we break towards the upside, and we actually break this 109 level, which would be amazing because that would kind of indicate that we're actually moving in the right direction, right? So what we need to happen is we basically need to go from, we need to go from wherever we are right now, which is, let me move this shit around so you guys can see. So we need to go like this, right? We need to break up. We need to come back down from here, retest it, and then actually retest this level, not break down. We can't break down, right? We need to retest it, go back here, and then shoot up back to where I told you guys originally that we were actually going to go. So if we go, I don't want to use that, it's going to be too much, but that's exactly what we need to do, right? We need to actually do this to break. We need to break that level. We need to break that 0109 level to actually break towards the upside. I do think that that's going to happen because we just crossed over the 4-hour. We just crossed over the 4-hour, right? So I am looking. It is looking like we're going to break, but we can't say anything yet, right? Because we don't know 100% what's going to happen. So we need to gauge on the MACD and the momentum to actually figure out what's going on. We need to break up here, break this level. We need to break this level right here, go up, and we either shoot up straight to where I forecasted of 0168, or we're going to break up, possibly hit this 014 level, come back down, and then probably go up. But if we do, as of right now, because we're bullish, if we break up or if we stay consolidating here and we're bullish on the 4-hour MACD, and instead of moving upwards, we trade sideways, more than likely we're going to shoot back down. And I do think we're going to keep trading sideways, or we're going to break this 086 level and we're going to head right back down to fucking whatever we were before, right? So we're going to go back down and probably trade in between probably trade in between like this section. So I think we'll probably trade we'll probably stay here and trade like sideways in this section, maybe even here. But like I said, because we just crossed that 4-hour MACD, I'm fully expecting us to break to the upside, break this price range, go up, maybe retest down and go back up, or we just shoot straight up, right? But because we're bullish on the MACD right now for the 4-hour, it's very important. Because it's bullish, if we can't break this price range and it stays, and we keep trading flat under this, or we break down under this price range, I fully expect us to go all the way back down to like around this level, which is the 005 level, right? So we need to break this price range. We need to break this, this 109 level to break to the upside, retest possibly and go back up, or we're just going to go straight up. But I do think if we cross this barrier, we create a brand new candle up here, we're headed straight to 0168 and possibly 2 cents within, not this weekend, but maybe within the next week or two, right? But yeah, we that's the most important part. As of right now, the 4-hour, like I said, the 4-hour MACD crossed over bullish. We need to cross over that 0109 level. If that does not happen right now, with the 4-hour being this bullish, we're going to be trading sideways, and more than likely we're going to go all the way back down, unless Elon fucking texts something or something big happens, right? Some big fundamental shit. But other than that, just based off of TA, we need to break that price range of the 0109. If that doesn't break, especially right now that we're bullish on the 4-hour, we're going back down.